course. Oh my God. I don't understand why you need a new car, or like another car. But I just want to have one car. Okay, you can have one car. When your breaks down, don't be coming crying to me because you don't have an
Oh my
extra car.
God, there was just an accident in front of me.
Working too many hours at the gym with no results. These are warning signs of low testosterone. The doctors at Prime Male Medical can test your testosterone. Just $99. Get a testosterone test, PSA test, Doppler ultra. Just $99. Get a testosterone test.
Oh my God.
For a late change. Tomorrow, cloudy and 25. Right now, a way to go before we hit that top 10. It's still only 19. Only Kiss can throw you and all your friends a Taylor Swift encore. Win an entire row of tickets to see her Eras to a live in Singapore. Listen at 8 and all day today on Kiss 1011.
Oh
Want
my
to know
God.
the real value of your home.
Video protected.
Oh my God! Fuck.
Across catbirds if the CBA still existed. There's a guy out Patrick
An idiot.
for a second last night. Some random dude.
What?
Which I'm obviously not going to do. Guys, I find it so surprising that their racism caused them to basically disown their daughter on her wedding day, and now they're wanting to come back into Obi's lives because of her kids. And guys, I understand that grandparents would love to get to know their grandkids, but a lot of people are commenting saying that Obi's parents were probably wanting to see the kids first.
Oh, that accident. Oh, oh my gosh. Is it?
Holy moly!
Oh my gosh. Oh, that accident. Oh, that accident. Oh my gosh. Is it?
Holy moly!
Oh my gosh.
Shit!
Whoa.
Oh my god!
Metropolitan Ring Road.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
And he was effing with me this morning a little bit. I wasn't prepared for that. The pre-Labor Day Pret bikini.
What's this fucking it?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo.